This is Lake Avenue. It's pretty much done. See, a bunch of wires are down. There's trees everywhere. That house is completely messed up. I think a tree fell. You can see all the way back here, which you can never see before. There's a huge tree. These are everywhere. This house is done. There's a tree in that house. Oh shit, that car's fucked. Wow. This is all bad. There's another tree. Oh my god.
That's like an SUV.
Yeah, it's a trailblazer. That was a trailblazer.
It was an SUV.
It's a huge tree.
Oh.
Oh my god. There's just trees everywhere.
Like, what are they gonna do about these uprooted trees?
Holy smokes. Meaning. Oh my god! This is like making me sick. Let's walk to John's. I want to see that.
Which way is the house?
It's this way. Or no, wait, it's back that way. But let's just.
They're probably not even there.
I just want to see how it looks over there.
Like, oh, what last night?
I know, but I want to see what it looks like in the daytime.
Did you see that those people in that pickup truck?
Yeah.
With no windshield?
Yeah.
That girl looked like she was like beside herself.
All these houses are ruined. Look at all these trees.